So the last problem I'm going to work for Chapter 18 homework, and I think I've probably hit them all now as far as solving, is a medication question that has a range that we need to figure out for a certain weight patient. So the recommended dosage of amoxicillin is 20 to 40 milligrams per kilogram per day, and it's in divided doses every 8 hours. So in a 24-hour period, every 8 hours is going to give us 3 times that we would give that medication. So I'm ultimately going to divide that then by 3. The medication is supplied in 50 milligram per milliliter oral suspension, and the child weighs 72.6 pounds. So we want to figure out the kilograms, we want to figure out the range, and then we want to figure out how many milligrams per dose, and then we want to figure out how many milliliters. Okay, so the first thing, again, always solve and get your kilograms out of the way. So we want to take this number and divide it by 2.2. And that gives us 33 kilograms. So again, I'm going to take this kilograms and plug it in here. But since we have a range, we need to do it twice. So I'm going to have to do 20 times 33 and then 40 times 33. So 33 times 20 equals 660 milligrams per per day. And then 40 times 33 gives us 1320 milligrams per day. So again, these are per day, and it's asking us for our dose. Now on B part here, you could put it in a per day, or you could go ahead and divide that on out and get it per dose as far as our safe range. If we did that, 660 divided by 3 would be 220 milligrams per dose. And then take our 1320 divided by 3 equals 440 milligrams per dose. So on our weight, we're going to put 33 kilograms. So our safe dosage range for this child per day is here, 660 milligrams to 1320 milligrams. And then the safe dosage range for each 8-hour dose, and that's this. So that would be 220 milligrams per dose to 440 milligrams per dose. And then how many milliliters will be administered for a single dose if the child is receiving the 20 milligrams per kilogram per day. So we're going to use this one because that was our 20 milligrams per hour, 33 kilograms. So to solve for milliliters, put milliliters on top. So now we're going to use this because we've already used that, we've already used that, and now we're dealing with these two down here. So we have 1 milliliter is equivalent to 50 milligrams, which is here. Since this is milligrams, we want to put milligrams here. Now if you look back at our question, it says how many milliliters will be administered for a single dose if the child is receiving the 20 milligrams per kilogram per day dosage. So this is our per dose. So here we would put 220 milligrams over 1 dose. So then we would have 220 divided by 50, and that gives us 4.4 milliliters. So here would be 4.4 milliliters.